All right, so we've gotten all the heads off the engine. So that there is cylinders 3 and 4. And this here's number 5 and 6. And numbers 1 and 2 are on the bench. So this is what a 743 cubic inch looks like with the heads off it. Just an inline 6. And what we'll end up doing is we'll ridge ream it, take the ridge off, go through and take all the carbon out of it. There's a little bit of carbon on the top end here. You can feel a bit of a ridge on them. But we'll take a little bit of a ridge ream on it. And yeah. This is what it looks like when it's running. Well, obviously a lot faster. Firing order is 153624. So you'd have 1, 5, 3, 6, 2, and 4. Okay, so next we'll, like I said, decarbon the engine, ridge ream it, and pull the pistons. So there's not much of a ridge. It does need to be decarboned and ridge reamed. I don't want to wreck anything, so we'll just run a ridge reamer through it, and we'll pull the oil pan, and then pull the bottom end, and then pull the pistons, and then I'll show you what's going on with that. All right, stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.